Hello, everyone. This is hello. All right. Hello, everyone. This is Steve from True Market Finance. And I just, sorry, we got True Market Friends today. Today's, uh, this is True Market Finance, and we're going to talk with markets here today, guys. I'm going to take up a lot of time tonight. I just want to kind of go over some stuff. Today, like we were talking yesterday, really weren't going to really buy anything. Today, I ended up buying Intel for a little position, and I bought what else did I buy today? Bought Intel, and I bought where did I buy here? Intel. It's been a long day, guys, but this market that we work with is been crazy. Anyway, doesn't matter. My brain's not working today. But anyway, we in here in the indexes and looking over some stuff. I was looking at silver earlier and gold. Those are looking not too bad. Today, about the only thing that did good was the healthcare, which is something I was thinking about looking at a little bit too. So let's hop over there to our chart. After the end of the day, the markets all decided to go into the red, which kind of sucked. I was kind of hoping I could maybe cash in a couple things today, but didn't actually work for me. But I guess we'll see what happens tomorrow. Just looking at, I don't know what it was, Best Buy. Best Buy today I bought Best Buy, and I'm just going to take it up here to this area, and I bought Intel was the other one I bought today too as well. So I just put a little things in here so I can kind of track what's happening. I don't usually put a full position in there because it's just no sense in it because it doesn't really record it properly. They don't really trade off of TradingView, which you can on a lot of brokers, which is quite handy, but yeah, I don't trade with them. But yeah, we got a market that's kind of topping up here. I keep watching these guys because I still believe there's going to be a lower everything's going to go lower here eventually because we're not done with this bear market yet. So just keep an eye on things. Look at Netflix today, but that wasn't working. There wasn't a whole lot working today. The market was really volatile. So I was really planning on myself just kind of standing on to the side and and not doing anything. And then I saw a couple of trades that looks like to give me a couple bucks. So that's why I decided to jump in that Best Buy. It looked like it could go up. Always watch this Tesla. Um, yeah, it's a freaking such a hard freaking stock to trade. It's just when you think you have it, like here, we got dojis all the way along here. So it looks like it should do a little pop here. As soon as you figure it's going to do that, the thing will just go complete opposite. Something I was looking at here, well, before I came on to look at some trades today, guys, was Facebook. I'm actually kind of thinking about doing a couple of trades maybe in Facebook. It looks like it's gonna, now that he's gonna lay off some people and things like that, it may pull back here a little bit. So I thought I'd roll out here to the 4 hour, and you could see your next resistance line up here is 126. 114 to 126 is a half decent little position. So notice we're climbing here. We're not doing super fast. We're doing a little bits of these, and we got a long position showing here. And it's been a nice little trend up here so far. So we got up, and then it levels out, up, levels out, up, which is a normal, kind of a routine. So I don't know, might pull the trigger on that. Maybe I might do that tomorrow. We'll see how the index is in the morning again. I did the same thing this morning. I saw this all in the red. The Dow and the SPY and the NASDAQ. And as you see, they're all at the top of the channels. Same thing here, top of channel. The Dow is about the only one, but it's getting toppy here too. So, you're going to get a resistance here. So if it breaks through here, then we can go up here to the next, if you wanted to kind of do that. I like working with these on my platform just because they trade all night long. They stop for a little bit around 6 o'clock or 5 o'clock for a little bit, but then they trade all the way up. Something else I was looking at today was BABA. Here tonight. I'm going to kind of keep an eye on that tomorrow too. There was something that looked like it could, do a nice little pop up here to $78. I'm not doing real long positions, guys. Normally you would, do a nice trade, but the way the market's, one day up, next day down, one day up. I'm finding it's nice in this volatile market. Like I was saying there yesterday that, sometimes it's nice just to take out these, little spots. And then if it breaks through this resistance, then you can always buy another one. You locked in your profits, then you're using house's money to next one, or you can take it up here to a shorter one again. And do it that way. That way, but anyway, guys, that's is a little bit of what I've been kind of looking at tonight. Another one I was looking at is this. I've been watching this. I almost pulled the trigger on this one today. This Archer Daniels, like it has been keeps going up here. Actually, I didn't even notice this in the 4 hour. I didn't have it on earlier. That's even looked beautiful. I mean, if the markets are up in the morning, I might just pull the trigger on this one. Pull the trigger on this one, and I'll take it up to here. So 964. So get $2. That's a good little trade, and if it pops out over the top here, then we could go a little bit on another trade. But yeah, that's looking really good there. So I think I'm going to take a look at that tomorrow morning. I haven't taken a look at deer. Deer's at the top. See, I don't want to ever buy something like this, guys, because the way the market goes, so it goes up here, touches the top of this wedge, then it comes back down to the bottom of the wedge, then it comes up to the top of the wedge, and then we're going to bounce around here. So if it breaks out through this wedge, then you want to take a position. But the good chances that if it turns here, I would put a take profit down here at the bottom of the wedge again. If you want to do a short position, or you just wait it out, and then when it comes back up, and deer's always a good stock, so it will come back. Something I was looking at earlier too with the healthcare. See, I did this. I was talking about this the other day, guys, where I did this. I put all like indexes in here, and then I put inside those indexes. So healthcare was up at the end of the day. It was the only freaking index that was up at the end of the day. So see here, we can't do a trade because it's right at the top here. If it breaks through here, we possibly go up to this next, or up to the next. But because we got double bottom down here, good possibilities. But a lot of times, what I'll do with that, let's go here. Then you can just go through these like this. UNH, Pfizer. You can see we're at double top. You don't want to do anything there. This is broken out. Thermo Fisher. We're at a spot here. You could maybe put a position in there and right up to this next 556 if you really want to go crazy. Lily is up, but not really great. We usually do a lot of trading in here with these healthcare stocks, but something you could do is flip through, and you never know with it being up like it was today. You might just find a good little position that you could almost do. Bet you if you went over here to 4 hour. Maybe not. That looks horrible. You got triple tops. See, don't want to touch that. But again, we can go into here, and we can go into indexes, and oh yeah, I was gonna go look at silver here. Oh, go in indexes. Indexes. There we go. Ahead, silver. I think at the bottom here. Silver's looking pretty good, but it's at the top here, so wait for it to break out. Another one I was looking at was gold. Yeah, it has come out, so you could do a little position up here to the next if you want to. What are we looking at here? So we're at 164, and you do 166. Couple bucks, or 167. You can do the middle there too. Yeah, that puts it right at the top of this here. So then, yeah, you can take profit there and go that way if you want to. US oil was going to do a little better than it did, but it didn't do anything. Sorry, guys. I was looking at where are we at here? The the Russell. I was really watching this here a little bit today too. You could if you really wanted in the morning. I'd wait till those index, like that. Something in my nose, guys, that making me want to sneeze. You ever get that feeling? It's just the worst. Eat it. Or you feel you gotta sneeze, but you can't sneeze. So with that, you could 193, we're 184. You know, that's a decent little almost $10 on that one. So if in the morning it looks like the market's gonna, go in the green, then you just put a stop down here and let her fly. Or if you want to tighten it up and be conservative, just put it here, just take profit up here, and just wait for it to go up there and trigger it. Then it works good that way. But anyway, guys, I think we'll leave it at that. That's a few stocks for us to kind of ponder through. Something that had come up here tonight that I seen in my stuff was energy, and Devon. I got a signal on it tonight to short it. Now we're at the top of the channel and it's possible, but I don't know. Maybe I don't know. I think I maybe wait for that one. It's a good possibility, but so myself, I wouldn't jump on that one yet. Valero, I was looking at it, looks wonderful. You can take it up to the next top of this channel. Wait, looked good. Or up to here, 142 over 136. It's something you could look at, but again, wait for morning and wait to see what these guys are doing before you jump on anything. And even that is not a guarantee, just because, as we've seen in this market, in the morning it could be green, and within by 10, 11 o'clock it could be red. So that's why a lot of times, sometimes I'll wait even to put a position in till 10 o'clock and then start it up. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. And before I sign off, I want to put out to you guys just to put in a thoughts for yourself. As if we have any credit card debts left, get rid of any debt at all. If you get rid of every single debt that you have, something I did one time, which is a lot better nowadays, you can get apps for your phone and stuff like that, and you just put in everything you spend into that. And a lot of times you'll see like those little small little purchases you buy, like a Starbucks every day or something like that. Those little things add up. And those simple little pleasures are nice. But financial freedom is a lot nicer. So we'll get rid of our mortgages and all those things. And then what you're putting in your mortgage, you can put it in the markets. You can make it pretty much a full-time job if you get good enough at it, just trading the markets and stuff. And so how nice would that be to, wake up in the morning, put a few trades in, and that's your job. You can go do whatever you want with your wife, or go for a walk or hike or anything. I myself, I do a lot of hiking in the mountains. So that's something that I do all the time. So it always helps me think about my financial freedom as well. But I want to put that out to you guys. I want to get in those baby steps. Our debts maybe look good, from our mortgages to whatever. Looks like a mountain that you can climb. and trying to get out of that, but take baby steps, get rid of one credit card, then get rid of the other credit card, or, um, and then when you're completely debt free and you're not paying like outrageous amounts of interest and stuff, then your life will be just a lot freer and easier. So I want to kind of throw that out to you guys. Just a simple thing before I ended tonight. And anyway, with that, we will end our session, and hopefully I'll be back on here with you guys again tomorrow night, and we can talk more. Anyway, have a good night, guys, and happy trading tomorrow. And again, remember, wait for those numbers here. And I think it was Wednesday we get the CPI report or something coming up. So that might be a little crazy day. So this week might be just a little wacky. So just take those little profits like this, Valero, just a little pop here, and the other ones I was looking at tonight, those little trades like that. And then away, you're just locking in profit. If it breaks above your resistance lines, like Valero here, like if it breaks above this, then you go to the next one, take profit in, and you go to the next one, the next one. That way, it's always going to possibility. There's a lot of times at these resistance areas, so you came up to here, bounced off, came back down, bounced off, came back up, bounced off. So good chances this is going to come up here and bounce off. So if it does that, you take profit here, wait for it, and then it waits for it to come back down. It comes back down, then and it starts to roll out again. Watch it, just like it is here, or just like it did here, pulled back down, and then we could have took another buy position in here and rode up to here. So the good chances this do the same thing here and then ride up, and then you take the next wave you want. Or, like look at here, a lot of stocks. So just go through and pick any other stock. So anyway, guys, that's what we have for tonight. I hope you guys have a nice night, and happy trading, and good luck out there. Stay safe, and remember also too to use your calculator to keep yourself in a 0.5% or 1% in your portfolio. So it doesn't matter whether you got $500 or $1,000 or $1 million. 0.5% of your portfolio is only 0.5%. You're not going to lose your shirt. So in this market, you can lose your shirt. So don't go overboard, and it'll compound itself forever and ever. Anyway, guys, have a good one, and we will talk later.